Welcome to AtlanticBeds.com.
We sell hybrids because we truly believe that they provide better support. It's a vertical compression to that spring system, which will give you the best support that you can get. When I sit this paint can on the bed, you'll see that the can sits perfectly straight. If I take that can and I walk over here to an all foam mattress and I place the can on the edge, the foam not only compresses vertically, but it also stretches side to side. And you'll see within a few minutes, you're gonna roll off that bed. To demonstrate the active support that you get from a hybrid mattress, I'm gonna use this bowling ball. The springs will actually push back toward your body to give a better support. I'll drop it from the same height. Here's one. Again, from the same height, different result. Support is the key. And what I'm gonna do is demonstrate with this 60-pound can right on top, and you'll see that vertically it's supported. It doesn't pull around the can. That means the person that's sleeping next to you is gonna sleep soundly and not be disturbed. And for a comparison, I'm going to do the same thing here on the foam mattress, and we'll put that up there in the center. And you'll see it a little bit more wobbly while it gets on there. The foam actually will stretch every different way. Eventually, you're gonna feel like you're sleeping in a hole in this bed. Heat's going to build up because it envelopes you. And when I remove this can, you'll see there was a big hole where you laid. Because it's a pocketed spring, that means that there's air chambers between each one of the coils. That allows for much better airflow. Airflow is the secret to sleeping comfortable all night long. Not too hot, not too cold. On an all solid foam core bed, it's not a vertical compression. It stretches both ways, both horizontally and laterally. So you sort of feel like you're sleeping in a hole. And it's closed cell, so that means it's insulation, and that's going to retain your heat, and you're going to get hot sometime during the night. We are all about better sleep, and that's why you need a hybrid mattress.
Thank you for watching. We're open 365 days a year, and for your phone calls, we're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. For more information, please visit our website at AtlanticBeds.com.